So in last class, we are discussing about second problem. Ashwin is skilled. So we finished 2 stages. Yes, sir. I am talking to you people. I am audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, up to here we finished in last class. Yes, sir. Yes, happened. Shall I continue?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Listen carefully, Amma. This problem is somewhat typical. On that day, I told it is a second variety. In second variety, 2 angles are given in continuous statement. I used one word, median. Can you remember? If I won't use also, then also if 2 angles are given in a continuous statement, that problem is called median problem only. So that you have to remember. It does not mean every time he has to give complete elaborate explanation. Sometimes its interrelation between the corresponding elements will also play very important role. So I am giving this stress. Median does not mean every time you should not expect that median will be the part. It may be, it may not be. Then also if 2 angles are in a continuous statement, in a single statement, that variety is called second. Right, listen. What is the speciality? I am always telling that third stage is very typical. Yes, Amma. Third stage is with respect to condition. Okay. First, I will take theta, 30 degree. Okay. As usual, same procedure. Theta you can draw here or you can take locus line. That is left to you. So first problem, I will take it here only. Listen carefully. This is theta, 30 degree. Draw this line. Theta is equal to 30 degree. Right. Now important is that in this problem, in earlier problem, this side is resting, but here there is no side. Here he is talking about median. Listen carefully. There are 2 medians, Amma. One true median, another apparent median. Yes, sir? Yes or no? A dash D dash is a true median. A dash D1 dash is a apparent median. Agree? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Idu jagrata. Now using this same thing, nothing. This problem is very simple. True length, apparent length. I solved line problem in variety. If 2 lengths are known, sometimes true length, apparent length is known. Only missing element is true inclination is also known. Missing element is apparent inclination. We have to find apparent inclination. How to find? Listen. First, in this variety of problem, take true median. What is the true median, Amma? D dash. What is the true median? D dash. Same procedure. One end is fixed, one end is movable. If you fix A end, D1 is movable. If you fix D1, A is movable. It is left to you. So I will fix A. Mark any one point. Name this as A dash. Means it is a fixed end. Measure A dash D dash length. A dash D dash length cut. See. This is D dash. What is this, Amma? True length. This is true length of median, true length of median, and true inclination. After that, every time what we did in line, draw the locus line. Yes, same procedure we will follow. This is locus of D dash. Same procedure. What we are doing, we are anticipating this as a line only. D dash, okay. Now we have apparent length. Take apparent length. What is the apparent length? A dash, D1 dash. Agree? Check. A1. A dash is fixed cut. There are so many questions. Sir, we may cut down this side. Yes, you may cut down this side. Yes, there is two possibilities. But always prefer end which is nearest to D dash. Agree? Prefer end nearest to D dash. Join this. This angle is called alpha. This angle is called alpha. So by using true median, we got locus. By using apparent median, we will cut that locus. We got alpha. Fixed. If you did this, 95% problem is solved. 95%. This is the only logic you have to apply. Means true median in first stage, apparent median in second stage. Out of true median, one end fixed, one end movable. A end is fixed, D1 is movable. Movable, we will draw it as a locus line because it is variable. Pendulum, amma. Pendulum, A end is fixed, D end is variable. So D end is oscillating. So D end, we draw on locus line. Then we have apparent median because it is inclined. Due to apparent median, we will draw this after this. What I told, reproduce this figure. This is important. Same figure we have to copy. How I will copy, you see. From A dash, I will measure C dash. Always remember, A dash, C dash and A dash, B dash is always same because it is a mirror image. From A dash, cut arc from both ends of D dash. After this, already we know D dash and C dash length. Measure D dash, C dash length. See, D1 dash, C dash and D1 dash, B dash is same. Take D1, cut this line. Take D1, cut this line. If you join, this is B dash, this is C dash. Join them in sequence. Now, these 3 points should be in one line. B dash, D dash, C dash in one line. C dash, D1 dash, B dash is in one line. Join this. Finish, amma. This is the reproduction of same figure. You can say copy, paste. Same thing copied, paste. Then project it downward direction. After that, same procedure. Project this line, project this line, project this line. Draw the parallel lines. See, this is A, this is C, and this is B. Join them in sequence, A to B, B to C, C to A. This is the typical nature of C. You have to do this figure by using medium length only. Information is with respect to median length. Get it, my point? Got it? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Do it, amma. This is the second variety. Means here, remark is in different way. Yes, this is you have to remember. Median problem is like this only. There are two ways to understand. One, he may use word median, then okay, fine, because we know the direct information. Otherwise, two angles are in a continuous statement.
Sir,
Yes, Amma.
Sir, how-
in third stage, A dash, B dash,
Huh.
what is the measurement, sir? Once?
B dash, B dash.
Yes, sir.
This length, Amma. Copy. We are copying. First thing, first you have to define theta and alpha. How we define? True length, median, A dash, D dash, A dash, D dash, true length. A end is fixed, D is variable. Wherever variable, there is a locus. Okay. Then we have apparent length. Again, A dash is fixed, D1 is variable. A dash is already fixed point. Take this compass, cut. That is D1 dash. First join this. Because we have to know two corresponding points of this. Until now, D dash is not the corresponding points of this figure. D1 dash is the corresponding point. So that's why I first define D1 dash. Once I know 2 points, I know that arc method is only applicable when we know 2 points. When I know 2 points. So that's why I know 2 points, A dash, D1 dash, A dash, D1 dash, same length. After that, by using this, I take an A dash, C dash. A dash, C dash and A dash, B dash is the same because it is a symmetrical figure. Median will bisect this triangle into 2 segments. So same length from A to drawn the arc, A2 drawn the arc. Then how to get B and C? I measure D1 dash to C dash. Again, it is a replica. This length and this length is same. D1 dash, I will cut that earlier arc. D1 dash, I will cut this bottom arc. Wherever intersection is there, I joined. I named them A, B, C. See that. B1, D1 dash, C dash. B1, D1 dash, C dash. It should be in one line. Same properties we have to match. Finish? Once finished, let me know, Amma. And one condition, if this object is freely suspended, it should not touch XY line. You see carefully all. This is also freely suspended body. This is also only this point we are taking on XY line. That's why I taken A dash somewhat little bit away. I don't want to take any risk. Finish? Finished?
not sir.
Yes, sir.
This sir. Here I want to tell. No one asked me, sir, why you taken 5, 45, 30 first? Two angles are known. Which angle you have to take first, which angle you have to take second. I expected this counter question from you people. But as usual, general thing, listen in this problem. There is a one method, Amma. This is XY line. If in this problem, listen, that's why I kept both figures here only. You have to remember this logic. if true shape of the object, what is the true shape of a triangle? It is on HP. Where is the first figure we drawn? On HP. We projected its front view. That is second figure. Agree? Yeah? Agree? Yeah? Agree?
Yes,
Yeah?
sir. Yes, sir.
Vinandi, just listen. True shape of the object on HP. This is on HP. So first figure is on HP. First figure HP ge ravali. Second, it's the projection. It's the only projection. We projected these lines and we draw right. And third figure should be on VP. With angle, that angle is theta only. You have to use first theta. Ne. This is the rule. Second adjacent figure is third. What we made? This line we made inclination at an angle of 60. Finish. Fourth figure. It is on HP. Jagratam. Here we are not doing anything. Then we are projecting this line. We are projecting this line. Intersection of those points is the figure. See carefully. Here our contribution is 0. Contribution means projection of front view, projection of first figure top view, intersection point A, B, C. We join them in sequence. Finished. This is fourth figure. Next, if fourth figure is down, fifth should be down only. Sequence amma is the adjacent mirror image. Fifth figure. And fifth figure is obviously phi. Means we know the both angles, theta and phi, but which one we have to use first? This is the logic. First you have to use theta, second you have to use phi. This is first, second as per nomenclature. Fifth with angle 60 degree. As per condition, one is angle. Second condition, the edge on which it rests. The edge we taken, we draw. Sixth figure. This is again on VP, but again our contribution is 0. Why? We are projecting this line. We are projecting this line. Intersection of points is the figure. Don't get panic. You are not doing anything in 4 and 6. 4 and 6 is the only intersection of corresponding elements from this, here corresponding elements from this and this. Idu jagrata. Idu logic. If object is on HP. See, here I intentionally taken object on VP. See, this is XY line. So first object is on VP. Idu jagrata. There are two probability. Object may lie on HP or object may lie on VP. Intentionally, that's why I taken two problem in different scenario. First VP means second figure is on HP. This is first true shape of the object on VP. Its projection on HP. Second figure. Then you have to take third figure. Phi. Compulsory first phi ne use. You see. Here you have to use first phi. Is a rule. Second adjacent figure is 3. And 3 projection is 4. And 4 contribution is 0. Again, 45 degree, already known angle. We used. Kept at an angle. Same length. This length. Projected. This projection. Corresponding elements. Fourth figure. And wherever fourth figure, its adjacent is 5th. Here theta ne. Second, you have to use theta ne. That is rule. Theta. Here we used theta first. So that is the logic. Theta. Again we projected 6th figure. 6th is nothing. Our contribution is not there. So it is an intersection of this point. Finish. This is the logic. Means student will get panic. Sir, we know both angle. Which one we have to use first? Which one we have to use second? It will defined by position of the object. If it is on HP, first theta, second phi. If it is on VP, first phi, next theta. Idu jagratam. Getting my point? Idu logic mind dagara pettandi. This is the 6. There are 6 figures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3-stage problem means we need 6 things. 3 in front view, 3 in top view. Any doubts? This logic is most important. So that's why I always told first stage, where it is placed, how it is placed. True shape of the object, where it is placed, how it is placed will define future entities. Getting my point? Understanding, Amma? Understand?
sir.
You understand cheste problems are very simple. I can solve hundreds of problems. Nothing to worry, because logic will remain same. To tell this, I taken 2 problems in 2 different scenario. Fine. This is the one thing. Second, here angles are given in continuous statement. Choose quality varieties. I am talking about varieties. I on that day told, if I solve these 2 problems, I will claim I solved 10 problems. How many? How many I solved? 10.
10.
Remove triangle, make this as a square. It is a square problem. Same square, square, square. Remove square, make pentagon. Pentagon, 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 pentagon. Remove pentagon, make hexagon. Hexagon, 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 hexagon. Remove remaining things are same, Amma. First word I will change. An equilateral triangular lamina. Instead of I will make a square lamina. Instead of square, I will write pentagonal lamina. Instead of pentagonal lamina, I will write hexagonal lamina. Instead of hexagonal lamina, I will write circle. Circle, there is no corner, no side. That you have to remember. Always one point on which it will lie. This is the one logic. Second, same thing. Here, 2 angles are given in continuous statement. Jagratam, read the question. First, understand which variety problem it is. Then only you solve. 2 statements are given. Obviously, it is a median problem. Obviously, it is a median. Whether he given median or not given median does not make any difference. Take next problem. A pentagonal lamina of side. A pentagonal lamina of edge 25 mm. A pentagonal lamina of edge 25 mm. A pentagonal lamina of edge 25 mm. A pentagonal lamina of edge 25 mm is resting on HP. Is resting on HP. Is resting on HP. Is resting on HP with one of its side. Is resting on HP with one of its side. Is resting on HP with one of its side. Is resting on HP with one of its side. Such that the surface makes an angle of 60 degree with HP. The surface makes an angle of 60 degree with HP. The surface makes an angle of 60 degree with HP. Full stop. The surface makes an angle of 60 degree with HP. Full stop. The edge on which it rests. The edge on which it rests. The edge on which it rests is inclined at 45 degree to VP. The edge on which it rests is inclined at 45 degree to VP. Is inclined at 45 degree to VP. Full stop. Draw its projection. Full stop. Draw its projection. Finished? Noted down now. Shall I repeat? Question is important. If everyone noted down, it's
Once
fine.
repeat.
I will repeat, Amma. A
Sir, once
pentagonal
repeat.
lamina. I am repeating. A pentagonal lamina of edge 25 mm. A pentagonal lamina of edge 25 mm is resting on HP. Is resting on HP. Is resting on HP with one of its sides. With one of its sides. With one of its sides such that. With one of its sides such that the surface makes an angle of. The surface makes an angle of 60 degree with HP. The surface makes an angle of 60 degree with HP. Full stop. Full stop. The edge on which it rests. The edge on which it rests is inclined at 45 degree to VP. The edge on which it rests is inclined at 45 degree to VP. The edge on which it rests is inclined at 45 degree to VP. the edge on which it is inclined at 45 degree to VP. Full stop. Draw its projection. Draw its projection. Ready? Yeah? Which variety problem it is? Which variety?
Pentagonal lamina.
Variety, amma. Object is not the pattern for me.
First one. First one, sir. First one.
Jagratam. Intentionally, varieties are very less, 3 to 4 varieties, but shape of the object is changed. Instead of triangle, I told that I always prefer pentagon and hexagon or circle, but in now you have to draw like this. I cannot draw like this. See, carefully. I will keep my this sound because I cannot complete that figure in single stretch. That is problem, amma. First, you have to use your notebook like now. See bit problem. Prefer horizontally, not vertically. Take this line. That why I won't write, because I have to shift my camera. Okay, now I don't know why I have now. Where it is placed now? First, your information BP above HP below. First thing, what angle is given? Theta is equal to 60. Phi is equal to 45. It is not my problem. That I will see. I will simply note down those angles. Where it is placed, Rama? Where it is placed?
On HP.
On HP. Very good. How it is placed? How it is placed?
Making an angle.
Five on its
No. Read that statement, Amma. Read that.
one of its side. One of its side is resting.
Given that information continuously. A pentagonal lamina of edges 25 mm is resting on HP. Object is on HP. How? With one of its sides. Givana, reader, ora, understand? It is resting on
Yes, sir.
side. Jagratam, what I am telling. Take this 25. See, it is HP. 25 mm side. See, triangle problem and this problem, nothing am I in triangle, 3 corner, 3 sides. In pentagon, 5 corner, 5 sides. Apart from that, no, variety is same. 25. Name this as A, B. Same pentagon. Jagratam. Take protractor. Internal angle. Start from 0. 90, 100, 108. Agree? Agree? Internal angle. Other side. Start 0. 90, 100, 108. Agree? Same. Regular polygon. How much length? 25. Take only 25 length. I want regular polygon, amma. That is important. I am repeating regularism. Then take the arc. Here, don't make anything else. 25. This has an end. Cut the arc. This has an end. Cut that arc. Join them. This should be regular polygon. If pentagon itself is wrong, no further. A, B, C, D, E. Finish. Project it. Same line. These two are in one line. This is dark it. Now we are observing from here. B, A is not visible. A dash inside the bracket, B dash. C is visible. C dash outside. E dash inside. This is D dash. Finish, Rama. It is first stage. We not bothered about angle. We bothered about true shape of the object, where it is placed, how it is placed. Any doubts? Any doubts? Now, which angle
No,
I have
sir.
to take? Which angle I have to take now? Which angle? Which angle? Where object is lying on HP?
60.
Yes, 60. Theta ne first is poly. That is the clue, Amma. That's why I'm making you very simple. Understand it. Problems are not tough, Amma. Only students are unable to connect them in a proper way. They will mislead it. Don't do that. 60 degree. A dash B dash is fixed. Fixed end. Measure by compass. This front view length. A dash D dash. See, this is A dash D dash cut. This is D dash. Measure A dash C dash. Same length. Cut. Write it immediately. C dash E dash. Dark this portion because it is front view. Project it. Fourth figure, we are not doing anything. Projecting all the points. How many points? 5 points. 2 are overlapping. Okay, one is only corner is independent. This corner, always remember, side opposite is corner in pentagon. E point separate, A point separate, D separate, project it parallel to XY line. Projection should be parallel to XY line. That you have to remember. This point, project it. Now you see A, this is A, B, this is B, C, D, E. Join them in sequence, A to B, B to C, C to D. I am not doing only, I told that in triangle it is triangle, here it is pentagon, I am drawing pentagon. Finish. This is second stage, Amma, with one angle. I will take attendance. Wait for a while, then I will draw third. Within 5 minutes we can draw, Amma, once you understand. Wait. Right. I will move my camera now. I will extend this line because I know that this space is not enough. This is why. First stage, second stage, third, with condition. What is that condition? Two statements are given in separate. Okay. What is the angle? 45. From here, measure 45. Here, listen, Chainama. 3 points are very simple. This is phi is equal to 45 degree. There are two possibilities, Amma. You may draw this copy up or you may draw down. Everything is acceptable. You want up or down? You want up. Up problem is that this corner should not cross XY line. Then you have to take somewhat down. Down, there is no possibility. And this object should not cross this. Jagratam. Where you want? Here or here? It is left to you. Or I will follow my own method.
Okay,
I'm
sir.
asking. Which one? Up or down?
Up.
Up, sir.
Up. Okay. Carefully fixed end, the edge AB 25. Take this 25 in such a way that imagine it should not cross Amma. Kinda తీసుకోవాలి. ఇది జాగ్రత్తం చూసుకోవాలి. Because while selecting, it should be very careful. This is A, B, C. The edge on which it rests makes an angle of 45 degree. The edge is AB. Now we have to copy this figure. Okay, listen. Very simple, amma. Copy, measure A to E. Right. A to E and B to C are same because these are replicas. A to E, draw one arc. I don't know. From B to C, draw one arc. Same. Agree? A to E, B to C. Reverse చేయాలమ్మా. A to E, C and B to E, same length. Reverse. A to C. First I taken A to E, B to C. Now I am taking A to C, B to E. A to C, cut this. Reverse you have to cut. See that. It should not crossing the XY line. That's why I taken somewhat down. Then there are two ways. Now you have E point, C point. You see, this is E, this is C. You can take E to D or C to D. Let's sir, I will take A to D, B to D. It is me ishtam amma. You can take anything. So I will take A to D. A to D and B to D is same. This is rule. This is A to D. This is B to D. Join them in